Are you tired of waking up wondering what to eat that won't spike your blood sugar? Or maybe you're struggling with belly fat and trying to eat healthier but still want to eat African food? Today, I'm discussing 6 delicious African breakfasts that are low in carbohydrate, great for people with diabetes and perfect for weight loss too. And yes, they are simple, satisfying, and full of flavor. No boring oats, no dried toast, just real African food that works. If you are new here, my name is Bikono, a registered nurse and a certified diabetes educator. I share videos on diabetes awareness and tips to manage and reverse diabetes type 2 while still enjoying our delicious African recipes. If you find my content helpful, please go ahead, like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel for more. Breakfast number 1 is avocado and eggs. So let's start with this high protein and low carbohydrate combination. Boiled eggs and avocado with some soya pepper. Eggs are packed with protein, which helps to keep your blood sugar levels stable and keeps you full for longer. Avocados, on the other hand, are rich in healthy fats and fiber. Avocados help to reduce insulin resistance and they taste amazing. For anyone who loves pepper, add a little soya or best still Cameroon pepper for flavor. You've got a delicious combination that tastes good and works great for your blood sugar. Now use 2 boiled eggs, half medium avocado, a sprinkle of soya pepper or dry pepper. This is optional. A few slices of cucumber or garden eggs. Why this combination works is because it contains low carbohydrate, high in protein and good fat that fights hunger and belly fat. No spike in blood sugar. If you are used to bread and tea, try this instead for just 1 week and watch your blood sugar respond. Breakfast number 2 is moi moi with leafy greens. Now, moi moi isn't just a Sunday food. It's one of the best low African meals when made right. It is made from blended black-eyed peas. Moi moi is high in plant protein and fiber, but the trick is to make it without too much oil or too much Maggi cube and no added corn or rice. So pair it with steamed or sauteed vegetables like spinach, bitter leaf, water leaf, or pumpkin leaves, and you've got a blood sugar friendly breakfast that is also filling. Use 1 medium moi moi, no rice inside, half cup of cooked spinach, pumpkin leaves, water leaves, or bitter leaves. This is optional. You can add 1 boiled egg or fish on the side. Why this combination works is because beans digest slowly, no sugar spike. Vegetables add fiber to balance blood sugar. It keeps you full till lunch. Moi moi isn't just tasty, it's a diabetes friendly breakfast if you make it with intention. Breakfast number 3 is coconut pap with groundnut or chia seeds. Yes, you can enjoy pap but with a twist that won't spike your blood sugar. So instead of regular pap with sugar and milk, try fermented pap made with coconut milk. Coconut milk is low in carbohydrate and full of good fat that helps your body to use insulin better. Top it up with a tablespoon of chia seeds, groundnut or flax seeds to slow digestion and reduce the sugar rush. For portion control, use 1 cup of fermented pap, half cup of coconut milk, that is unsweetened coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seed, flax seed or groundnut, no sugar or no pig milk. Why this breakfast combination works is because coconut milk plus chia seeds or groundnut slows down sugar absorption, keeps your gut healthy, still gives that warm African breakfast comfort without the crash. You still get the familiar taste of home but in a healthier, healing way. Breakfast number 4 idea is unripe plantains frittata. Use 1 small unripe plantain, peeled and sliced thinly. 2 eggs, onion, tomatoes, pepper, 1 handful of chopped spinach or water leaf, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or olive oil. Steam the unripe plantain slices for about 5 minutes till soft. Beat the eggs and mix in the vegetable. After that, pour in your cooked plantains, fried slightly on both sides or baked in the oven. Unripe plantains are full of resistant starch which fits your gut, control appetite, and doesn't spike sugar. Add some leafy greens and you have a healing breakfast without no sugar spikes. Breakfast number 5 is okra vegetable stir fry with fish. This might sound surprise. Okra for breakfast? Yes, it's not just for soup. Here's how to make it work in the morning. Use 1 cup of chopped okra, half onion, 1 handful of pumpkin leaves, water leaf or spinach, 1 tablespoon of ground crayfish, 1 small smoked fish or sardine, a little amount of palm oil or olive oil. Now heat your oil. Saute your onion and okra for 2 minutes. Add your greens, fish and crayfish. Stir gently and serve hot. Okra contains soluble fiber and helps slow down sugar absorption. Okra also soothes the digestive tract and lowers inflammation. You can pair it with 1 slice of low carbohydrate whole bread if available. Let's talk about breakfast idea number 6, which is sweet potatoes and beans. You didn't think I'll leave out sweet potatoes, did you? This recipe is comforting, filling, and still has a low glycemic index, which makes it perfect for people managing diabetes. Now use half medium sweet potatoes, peel and cut into small slices. It's about 100 grams. Brown beans or black-eyed peas, chopped onion, 1 small tomatoes, chopped also, 1 tablespoon of olive or coconut oil. For the spices, you can use turmeric, ginger, black pepper, garlic, and a pinch of thyme. Steam or boil the diced sweet potatoes for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's tender. Heat your oil and saute onions, tomato, and spices. Add in the beans and potatoes. Stir together gently. Add some vegetable oil for color and fiber. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes more and serve hot. Sweet potatoes contain slow digestive carbohydrate and beta-carotene for your eyes and immune system. Paired with beans, it gives you protein and fiber to keep you full and satisfied. Control your portion. Just half a medium of potato is enough to enjoy without blood sugar spikes. Here's what you want to avoid in the morning if you're trying to lower your blood sugar. Number 1, avoid white bread. Number 2, sugary tea or Milo. Gari soaked in sugar. Yam without protein or fiber. Instead, choose fiber plus protein plus healthy fat. That's the formula that keeps your sugar stable, your energy high, and your belly fat shrinking. There you have it. 6 African breakfasts that are low in carbs, delicious and healing. Whether you are living with diabetes, pre-diabetes, insulin resistance, or just want to eat healthier, these options will support your journey. Remember, it's not about starving or avoiding your culture. It's all about choosing the right combination. Which of these breakfasts will you try first, or do you have a low carbohydrate breakfast idea to share with us? Type it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our videos on reversing diabetes with African food. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.